fields. Actually started in Van Nuys, California, just a few miles from here. And then the third wave began in the 1980s.
Adjacent to full-scale aircraft flying fields, Van Nuys in particular, there's an AMA field just to the south.
And I was in jail in Van Nuys, and I'm sitting kind of like this, and then
I moved around from North Hollywood to Van Nuys and attended Van Nuys High School.
And since I've included a location, Van Nuys, and Google has collected a lot of data about me.
In those industries, General Motors and Van Nuys, General Motors and Southgate, there was Bethlehem Steel on Slauson, there was American Bridge.
By the evangelical church. And it happened, by the way, in Van Nuys, California.
Right.
It happened